How to disable Office Key Keyboard Shortcut Opening Office app. I found that some of my keyboard shortcuts somehow trigger Open Office 365 Welcome window. I'm a heavy auto hotkey user and it looks like it has something to do with Alt plus Shift. I tried to remove Office altogether, but then new window in Chrome spawns on keyboard shortcut suggesting me to buy Office. Can I remove it somehow? PS Here's the link to pop up, this URL. As you can see, from option is set to Office Key. What is this Office Key then and how to change it or better completely remove? PPS as described here, this URL it is added recently, and it looks like the reason in that I'm on developers edition of Windows 10 with latest updates. Here's the screenshot of browser pop-up.
Just upgraded to Windows 1903 and hit this myself. Seems Microsoft decided to assign the keyboard shortcut for the new Office app to Win plus Control plus Alt plus Shift, aka Hyperkey combination for QMK users. Changing the open command for this keyboard shortcut to Rendel32 resolved the issue for me. Using an elevated CMD, run the following command.
J4Milner's answer works, but doesn't disable the application-specific hotkeys. How to remap the Office key on your keyboard. Office key fix. It involves restarting Explorer, so it's not pretty, but it is a fix.
For app. It keeps the Office key plus letter hotkeys in place. You can add your own. If you have installed the Microsoft Office app from the Microsoft Store, this app will open instead of the website. If you still want to be able to use the app sometimes and it's installed, you can map it to Office key plus enter for example.
You can set it to any command by adding the following subkeys to and changing the string value to any command or path you use often or leave it empty.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.